It's a snow day.
Snowmageddon.
That's me. Last night driving home. This is across this Lakeshore Drive. This is the park last night. Wind is howling. Just like 50, 60 miles an hour. Those people are out for a walk. They're crazy, just like me. Ice was stinging me in the face. There I am, Ninja Dave, over in the park. A little bit cold, but not too bad. I was dressed for it. This is this morning. Sign blew down last night. Lakeshore Drive. People are walking on the drive. They're walking their dogs on Lakeshore Drive. Drive's closed. A whole bunch of cars got stranded last night. These are the tow trucks pulling them out. Probably 100 cars got stranded last night. People are in their cars for like 8 hours on Lakeshore Drive. They're still clearing it out. I mean, it's 2 o'clock the next day and it's not open. Got a lot of snow. They said 17.1 inches. So that was my house. Buses are running. He's coming off of Addison, heading up Lakeshore. That's where I live, Lakeshore. Lakeshore and Addison, Chicago. Look at this guy, skiing down Lakeshore Drive. Yeah, TV guys. The dog loved me, but all dogs love me. Nice guy. Nice doggy. Rough. Next to no snow right by Lakeshore Drive. It's like the winds were blowing so hard there's barely any snow. You go down the block like 20 yards down the block, everything's just buried. It's like drifts like 3 feet high. This guy's been shoveling for hours out here. Another guy shoveling out of the stoop. You can see how deep it is there. I mean, it's like 18 inches. It was deep. Good time to have a snowblower. I'd rather have a snowblower than a shovel with that thing. Those cars aren't moving anytime soon. The plows haven't even been down that road. And plus, the plow is going to plow in the car, and then you have to like dig your car out. It's my car's high and dry. It's up in the garage in my building. So this is the Addison Street. Nobody on Addison. There's me, Ninja Dave. Yeah. It's desolate. People are walking in the middle of the street because snowplow did hit Addison. Didn't hit the side streets, but it hit Addison. And the snowplow deposits all the snow on top of your car. So to get it out, that person's going to have to dig. That's the Addison L stop there. People are up there waiting for the train. This guy must have come out of the firehouse over by Wrigley. I hope it's not my place on fire. He's heading right by my place. Whoa! It's not on fire. I'm fine. So it's heading over to Wrigley to see what kind of damage the storm did. Supposedly the roof blew off last night. So this is CTA stop. They got that cleared. Trains are running. You can hear the train overhead. A lot of snow under those tracks. Jeez. Yeah, okay, so this is Wrigley right here. I'm at the corner of, this is Clark and Addison. You can see next to the marquee a bunch of plywood. They nailed up a bunch of plywood because the press box blew out or something. And they had like police line, don't cross. There was all this debris. It's from the roof. It flew off in the middle of the night. Building next to me too. I looked out this morning. The roof had come off. Starbucks is open. People had the car parked over on cars out on Addison. Got to get your coffee. So yeah, spring training starts soon. Yeah, spring is right around the corner, right? Not. Okay, so these girls were tripping. They were tripping on something. Okay, so I decided, okay, hop on the train, go downtown, take a look for myself what's going on down there, see what see what the snow looks like. So up on the Addison platform comes the train. I'll just ride it downtown, get off downtown, walk around a little bit, hop on the train back. It's the only way to get around town. The train goes pretty good. The buses are just crawling. Although there isn't a lot of traffic out there, so maybe the buses are moving pretty good. Got off at Grand Avenue. So I'm walking up to the street level from the subway. It starts elevated, but then it goes down to the subway. So that restaurant, the Rock Bottom, it was not open. Hardly everything was closed up downtown. All the stores, the restaurants, a couple places open, but I mean, there's next to nobody down there. This is Michigan Avenue. Not, no cars on Michigan Avenue. It's incredible. Usually that's like 4 lanes of just deep. It's just solid cars. The stores. Then look at the north. Look at this guy. So, yeah, you see a few emergency vehicles out there. Ambulances. Nobody in their right mind is driving today. My car is in the garage. I'm not going to take that thing out till tomorrow. Great Barrel. I mean, the door's just frozen shut. There's a big drift in front of the place. That's not open today. Nobody's going into work. It's a snow
You're
day.
going where?
Urban Snowboarding
Look at these guys.
Museum of Science and Industry.
What, like down the ramps?
Down the rails and down the stairs.
Right on, right on. That's cool.
Unbelievable. So they got their snowboards. They're heading down to the museum campus to go snowboard. Unbelievable. So check this out. Ladies skiing down Michigan Avenue. What a trip. It's unbelievable. Okay, snowmobiles on Michigan Avenue. Snowmobiles. I think that's the fire department guy. They were doing rescue work on snowmobiles. It's a good idea. They had like 20 of them that they were using. So that's planning. That's thinking. Okay, so there's the Hancock. So this is Wednesday, and it's still snowing. It was snowing pretty heavy. Not too many cars on the street. I mean, it's not worth it going up because, Michigan Avenue was sort of plowed, but there's side streets where you can just get stuck. And, you're going to have to abandon your car. It's going to get towed. It's not worth it. But, so, there's the ski lady again. There she goes. She's probably heading over to the park, over by the lake. Water tower, snow tower. Few people are out. We're enjoying it. There's there's a rare breed that goes out in this stuff, and they, when it snows, people really like it. Okay, so this is over on Rush Street. I'm heading back over to the subway. You can see, I mean, these roads are not clear. Okay, back on the train, up at, I'm on the red line, heading back north, going back home. Take the train, okay, so, got off the train on the platform. This is Addison, so I live in Addison and Lakeshore. So I'm a few blocks west here, so I'll walk down Addison, get home. Probably stop at the store on the way. That alley, I mean, there's no way you could drive down there. Okay, so here I'm at the Jewel. My camera's kind of fogged up. It was in my pocket. There was no bananas. And the bread was like kind of empty. Another skier. Okay. So that was my journey. So it's Groundhog Day, February 2nd. Punxsutawney Phil did not see a shadow. Spring is right around the corner. Yeah, right. Unbelievable.